All right, so I'm going to talk about crypto here for you guys. Let's go here. So we're gonna be selling crypto, looking for Bitcoin to come back down to 22,000. So I'm gonna be going very fast paced on talking about these signals for this week. Looking to sell Bitcoin back down, looking for to sell all the cryptos back down, looking for, like I said, looking for a Bitcoin to hit back to 22,000 and then back to 21,000, and then we'll see where it's going to remain from there. Might end up consolidating at the 20,000 price range. So we'll see how that all plays out. Looking to sell Ethereum back down to 1,500, and then we'll see where it's going to find support at 1,500. If not, break down back down to 1,400. Or it could just easily shoot itself right back up again. So, but seeing a lot of resistance at 1,700 here. Litecoin is going back down. I'm looking to sell Litecoin back to $84 to $80, and then we'll see where it goes from there. Just a retracement for now. So it has all cryptocurrencies have been going up for this for the past, for pretty much the past 3 weeks. So we are coming into 1, 2, 3. So this is the 4th week of January. So technically January has 5 weeks because next week is going to be the start of the last week of January. So 5 weeks. This is crazy. So looking for Litecoin to come back down. Shiba is stuck at this price range. I'm looking to short it back down to 0.00001, and we'll see where it goes from there. Dogecoin can't break 9. You can't even break 10 cents. So looking for it to come back down to 8 to 7 cents, and then we'll see if it's going to end up consolidating at this price zone. It's been consolidating here for quite a bit, from 6 to 8 cents. Tezos coming back down. We are seeing resistance seen at $1.15, $1.14. Looking to short this back down to $1 to 90 cents. Ripple, looking to short Ripple, sell Ripple back down to 36 and 35 cents here. Shorting Neo today, looking for Neo to come back down to $7.50, back to $7. Dash coming back down. Dash is coming back down to $50 to 48. That's what I'd be looking for. Yeah. Let's go. Just texting one of my guys here. Let's go. So Solana, looking for Solana to come back down to $20 to $18. We'll see. Zcash, looking for Zcash to come back down to 45, 42, and $40, and we'll see if it breaks down 40 back to 35. Other than that, I don't really have a whole lot of positive news for crypto, and so yes, they pumped it up. I don't foresee this market to be like a massive bull run. Like I said, we still have more uncertainty for for this year and what's going to happen for the rest of the year, even though it's still the first month of 2023. So don't get too caught up. Tax season is coming up here. I am being prepared for the trade cap here. So that's mainly for my group here. But yeah, this is what I got for crypto. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the Telegram chat group. And if there's any questions, let me know towards what your thoughts are on crypto and what you guys plan on doing for crypto for tax season coming up here, especially for February all the way till April. Other than that, happy Sunday fun day, guys. Peace. All right, happy Sunday fun day, guys. Let's get to Forex analysis here. Looking to buy the US dollar index based on the last candle closing out here on the weekly. Support is seen at 102, close to 102, 101.9. And so looking for the US dollar to come back up here to see if it's going to retest. I mean, 102 again, back to 103. We might end up seeing consolidation for this week. So we'll see how the volatility goes and if there's a lot of volume coming into, this is the fourth week. This is the fourth week of January. So there's 5 weeks in January, which is crazy. So other than that, I'm looking to buy the US dollar for this week. As for US 30, I know it's kind of weird. They haven't really given up their gains, so buying all the indices along with buying the US dollar. So normally I would, if I was selling the US dollar, I would buy the indices. I wouldn't like buy them at the same time. So looking for US 30 to come back to 34,000. If it doesn't come back to 34,000, I'm going to treat this as the resistance at the 34,000 mark, and I'm going to sell it back down to 33,000. Okay. Same thing with S&P and NAS 100. So given the fact that if S&P does not break above 4,000, I'm going to sell it back down to 39 to 3,800. And then for NAS 100, NASDAQ here, we're going to buy NASDAQ, looking for it to break 12,000. Doesn't break 12,000. I'm going to sell it back down to 11,000. Okay, from there, we'll see how long the maneuver it's going to take, and also the consolidation phase, with all the indices as well. Gold is starting to lose its steam here. Closing in on this, I'm looking forward to sell gold back down to 1910 and then 1900. Looking to break 1900 back down to 1890 to 1880. So I'm breaking it down like every $10 in value of how much it's going to drop. And so just something here for you guys to pay attention to. I know gold is still on the bull run. It is running out of steam here, but like I said, it could massively just shoot itself back up. So be well prepared to see where this is going to go for gold. Okay. UJ, looking for UJ to come back down. I'm just treating this bullish candle as a retracement candle. So looking for it to come back down to 129 to 128. And then we'll see if it sparks down anything else from there. To break the support at 120, 128, 127. So we'll see how it all plays out with that. Euro. Selling euro, looking for the euro to drop back to 108 and see if it's going to break 107. And then we'll see what all plays out from there. Euro, British pound. So looking for this to come back down to 87 to 86, and then breaking 86 down to 85. We are buying the pound, looking for the pound to come back to retest the resistance of 126. And like I said, first hurdle is 125, breaks 125, and then the next target would be 126. Does not break 126. I'm going to short this thing back down to 124. Okay, U-Swiss, buying U-Swiss, looking for U-Swiss to break. Let me get this out of here. Yeah, to break 92 back to 93, and then we'll see if it touches 94 for the end of the week here. UCAD, looking for we're buying UCAD. Normally I wouldn't buy, but based on what I'm seeing for the US dollar, looking for the retracement candle, we'll look for UCAD to come back to spark a move back to 134 to 135, and then we'll see where it goes from there. If it does not break 134 or sustain above 134, I'll be looking to short it back down. Australia and New Zealand. New Zealand is a lot stronger. Looking for Australian dollar to come back down to 69 and then break 69 down to 68. And then we'll see if it goes anything further down past 68. Okay. Looking for New Zealand to come back down to, we're selling New Zealand, looking for it to let's see here. Looking for it to hit 60. 64 down to 63. And then we'll see if it goes down to 62. 62 would be the lowest. So I'll be looking at, we said we're gonna be selling New Zealand and the Australian dollar for this week. Anything can happen. Just be well prepared for the intraday signals and back to scalping. Other than that, I'm gonna check my Forex factory here. I'm just checking the economic calendar, just trying to get a feel for what's gonna go on for this week here. CPI. So there's a lot of news for Tuesday. Bank holiday for China tomorrow. Okay, bank holiday on Wednesday for China and Australia. The Canada interest rate decision, we'll be focusing on that. China's got bank holiday on Thursday. Wow, a lot of bank holidays for China. Okay. Forgot. Probably Chinese New Year. So, other than that, Tuesday and Wednesday is going to be the big day for news trading. I'm not really too focused on PMI or CPI at all for Australia or any of the other countries, unless it's the United States. But for sure, Bank of Canada interest rate decision, 9 a.m. Central Time on Wednesday. We'll be focusing in on that. Other than that, anything else? I'll be in the chat group. I will update you guys later on about the trade copier. We're gonna be starting trade copier next Monday. So it's gonna be a pretty busy week for me. Like I said, I'm gonna be going out of state, visiting family and friends. So just want you guys to be well aware of that when I'm trying to get everything all crammed in for this week to get done and then be back. I'm gonna look at my calendar right now on the 29th, and we're gonna set everything up. 29th is a Sunday. I'll have everything all set up for the trade copier, ready to go to start on January 30th. And then we're going to go all balls to the walls for all the way till the end of April. So that is the goal. Like I said, keep in mind of what's going to be coming up for tax season. I will update you guys as much as I can. And I will be really, really focused in the chat group as once we go full throttle on the trade copier on January 30th. All right. Peace out.